Hello and welcome to another property tour. My name is Svetlana and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And today I will present to you this brand new luxury villa in the center of Lagos. 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, 420 square meters, heated swimming pool, private cinema, gym, and fantastic rooftop terrace with the ocean view. And the location of this property is fantastic. It's a walking distance to the historical town of Lagos. It's the walking distance to the marina, to the beach. It's next to the restaurants, cafes, next to the tennis court. And the property is situated on a cul-de-sac street. Also, the property is close to the international schools, 1 hour away from the international airport Faro, and 2.5 hours from Lisbon. Let's talk more about the property. The villa is split over 3 levels. This is a main level which features a primary bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, 2 other bedrooms, and an open concept living, kitchen and dining with the fully equipped kitchen with the top-of-the-line appliances. And the beauty of this area, all of it is connected to the outdoors, which is the perfect Algarvian living. There is one more level upstairs, which is a rooftop terrace with jacuzzi, with a tropical plants and a beautiful ocean view. A level downstairs features a 1-bedroom apartment, 1 additional bedroom, a private cinema, gym, professional laundry, and a 2-car garage. Thank you for taking this video tour with us. For all the luxury features, please check the link below. This is Cheers from sunny Lagos, +25, and I will see you soon.